So I know that A is II because so it says field goals are equal. So field goals are one more than twice the number of touchdowns. So I automatically crossed out I and I because those are saying that the touchdowns are equal to a certain amount of field goals. So we're trying to find field goals for a certain amount of touchdowns.
I didn't get to read it yet, so it looks like they got 55 points. Interestingly, the number of field goals was one more.
It's twice the number of touchdowns. So, like, if they made one touchdown, they would have made three field goals.
Yes. So, do you guys like this equation for that? That says field goals was one more than twice touchdowns.
I think they wrote it down 2t plus 1.
Oh, it's the same thing, though.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a little equation for us for the first sentence or two. The fabulous footballers earned 7 points for each touchdown. So a touchdown equals 7 points, and 3 points for each field goal. And then, hey, we learned.
But you can't plug that in. I tried plugging that in, and it doesn't work.
I didn't even get to finish reading it yet. Which system of equations below best represents the situation? Explain your reasoning. Assume that T represents the number of touchdowns and F is the number of field goals. Okay, so now we have to look at the A, B, C, D answer choices. So yeah, you're saying you can't just plug a 3 in there and a 7 in there. That's not going to work. So
if you look at A, B, C, and D, or I, no, it's not IV.
Yeah.
So if you look at I and II, or no, if you look at A and C, you'll see that it says touchdowns are equal to one more than the number of field goals. So I have to automatically cross that.
A copy of those extra credit things.
I think that Emma's right.
But it's not IV.
Why?
Look down below it. So that means they got 3 points. See how it says for IV, 3 times touchdown.
Oh, that's why it's not. Yeah.
F equals 55.
Yes, it has to.
70, which is the amount of points that they get per.
Yes. Do you see the difference?
Oh.
Because 7 times however many touchdowns plus 3 times however many. Yeah, so that was a decoy down there because it looked good until we really. Thanks, Rocco. So I think we're gonna say II.
But I was stuck on B.
Okay. Okay. Well, at least I got to read the whole thing. So let's look at B. B says, solve the system you selected in Part A to determine how many touchdowns and field goals the fabulous footballers made. Yay! I loved solving these systems. So we only know 2 different methods so far in our class. Like, I know a whole bunch of other methods because I teach other classes, but for you guys, you only have 2 choices. You can do equal values or substitution. Which one does it look good? Which one looks good to you guys?
I don't know. I'm just been kind of replacing the 2. I think it's 5. I think T might equal 5.
I want to use substitution because right here it says that F is the same exact thing as 2T plus 1. So if F and 2T plus 1 are the same, that means this F right here is equal to 2T plus 1. That means I can just go like this. See how I replaced the F with 2T plus 1. Do you guys understand what just happened? This thing right here, since it's equal to F, I stuck it right there. That's why it shows up right here. Okay, and then you can just solve it, because now you just do your algebra that you know how to do, right? You can do, oh, I messed up, I made a equal sign. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3, equals 55. 7t plus 6t, I think, is going to be 13t, plus 3
sides, subtract 2 from both sides.
Mm-hmm.
And we get 52. So
13 probably goes in. I'll bet you 13 goes into 52, probably 4 times.
So you divide.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 4.
So that means there was 4 touchdowns, and then when you solve a system of equations, you don't want to stop just once you find your one answer. You want to also find out what the field goals were.
T equals
So
4. And then so just 4, and then we just plug that in.
yeah, plug the 4 in
4
right
times 2
here.
is 8 plus 1 equals 9. So field goal.
Oh, that was smart. Yeah, plug it in up here, huh? Yeah, 2 times 4, that's where he plugged it in right there. Because we knew T was 4, so 2 times, that's 8 plus 1 is 9. Yep. That is smart.
Okay, I just realized that.
Good job, we just solved it. Is that all? Is there a C? I'm going to keep
Nope.
going.
That's it.
Okay. Oh, don't be thinking that's 6-52. It's not. Let me